Hello beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the stars, the planets, and the cosmic energies that shape who we are. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Gemini astrology, the sign of the twins. If you are a Gemini or have a special Gemini in your life, this video is going to reveal everything you need to know about their personality, strengths, weaknesses, love life, and even their career path. So, make sure you watch till the end. Section 1. The basics of Gemini, 0:45 to 2 o'clock. Let's start with the basics. Gemini is the third sign of the zodiac, ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, intelligence, and curiosity. People born between May 21st and June 20th fall under this sign. The symbol of Gemini is the twins, representing duality, adaptability, and versatility. This means Geminis often carry two sides to their personality. They are curious, witty, and love to explore new ideas, but they can also be restless and sometimes indecisive. Gemini is an air sign, along with Libra and Aquarius, which makes them social, intellectual, and free-spirited. They thrive in conversations, new experiences, and environments where they can express themselves freely. Section 2. Gemini personality traits -2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So, what makes a Gemini stand out? Let's break it down. Strengths. They are extremely curious and love learning about everything. Their communication skills are top-notch. Geminis can talk to anyone about anything. They're adaptable. Change doesn't scare them. In fact, they welcome it. Full of energy and enthusiasm, they bring life to every room they walk into. Weaknesses. Because they're curious about so many things, Geminis can sometimes be scattered or struggle to commit. They can be a little restless and get bored quickly. Some people may see them as two-faced, but really, they just have different sides of their personality that show up in different situations. In short, Geminis are like a breath of fresh air, full of ideas, fun, and curiosity, but sometimes hard to pin down. Section 3. Gemini in love and relationships to 4 o'clock to 5:30. Now, let's talk about love, one of everyone's favorite topics. Geminis in relationships are playful, flirtatious, and deeply affectionate when they find someone who can match their energy. They crave mental stimulation as much as emotional connection. That means if you want to win a Gemini's heart, you need to keep things exciting, adventurous, and full of good conversation. They get along really well with their signs like Libra and Aquarius, and also fire signs like Aries and Leo, who can fuel their adventurous nature. However, they might struggle with overly emotional or possessive partners who can't handle their free-spirited energy. For Gemini, love is about fun, growth, and mental connection more than anything else. Section 4. Gemini in career and life path, 5:30 to 6:45. When it comes to career, Geminis shine in jobs that require communication, creativity, and adaptability. You'll often see them as writers, journalists, or media personalities, teachers, motivational speakers, or influencers, marketers, public relations experts, or sales professionals. Because they love to explore new ideas, many Geminis also do well as entrepreneurs. The key is variety. They need a job that keeps them challenged and excited. In life, Geminis thrive when they have the freedom to express, explore, and evolve. Routine and monotony can feel suffocating to them, so they're always looking for new experiences. Section 5. Modern view of Gemini energy, 6:45 to 7:30. In today's fast-paced world, Gemini energy feels more relevant than ever. With their ability to adapt quickly, process information fast, and connect with people, Geminis are natural trendsetters. They're often the first to try something new, whether it's technology, lifestyle, or even fashion. This makes them not just communicators, but bridges between ideas and people. If the world needs innovation and connection, Gemini energy is right there leading the way. Conclusion and call to action, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. So, that's Gemini in a nutshell. Curious, witty, adaptable, and full of life. If you're a Gemini, drop it in the comments and tell us which part of this description resonated with you the most. And if you love learning about astrology, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep shining, and may the stars guide your journey.